Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some more winter DIYs. For the snowflake frame, I will be using this 6x8 Dollar Tree canvas. I'm going to remove the staples and I'm using this knife. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in antique wax to paint the frame. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Now I'm going to work on the snowflake and I'm using the third snowflake from this Dollar Tree Decor. I did use two of them in my previous video. I will have that link down in the description box so you can check that out. After removing the tinsel, I'm going to paint this white using my chalk paint. Once everything's dry, I'm going to put these two together. Now, there's different ways you can put this. You can put it on the top, the center, or even in the corner. I decided to do mine in the center. So I'm going to glue it using hot glue. Now again, there's different ways you can decorate this. The way I did it is I add 2 pine cones in the center, then I added some pick with a bow. Another thing you can do is glue the snowflake more towards the top and then add the greenery with the bow right on top. I'll show you a picture. I did do that one, but then I changed my mind and ended up doing it this way. And that is it, guys, for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful, so perfect for winter. For my next DIY, I will be upcycling a Valentine sign that I used during Valentine's this year, the beginning of February. Hopefully next year they'll carry them again, but these are the ones that had like 3 hearts on the top, or at the bottom, I'm sorry, and then one of them said love and I think the other one said welcome. 2 of them came in one, and I did end up cutting one shorter. I do want to mention that you can use wood to make this. The next thing I did was just paint it white and use some antique wax right on top of it. To make the tree, I'm using a paint marker and a ruler. The first thing I did was just draw a line. To draw the stems, all I did was start at the top, and then every time I kept going lower and lower, I just made the line a little bit longer until I got to the bottom. And that is it for this set of trees. I think they turned out beautiful and they were so easy to make. My next DIY is another simple and easy DIY. I'm going to use a clear plastic tape. These are from the wedding section. They come in a pack. A mini wreath. They did carry two, one with the white berries and one with red berries. I am using the one with the white berries. I did end up removing the pine cones to use it in some other DIY, but I'm still going to add some other different ones that I already had. So the first thing I'm going to do is just glue the wreath to the plate. I then added the pine cones. Like I said, I did remove the ones that came with this. So I added some different ones that I already had. And I only added 3. I think it came with 3. I'm not sure. I also added some of the other Walmart greenery that I had. And this centerpiece, you can use an LED candle or just a regular candle like I am. I'm using this from Candles Heavens Inc. And I got this from Instagram. I'll have her information down in the description box so you can check her out. I'm telling you, these candles smell amazing. And that is it, guys. I would love to know which one was your favorite. So comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.